Along with thinking about which camera format is going to best serve you, we also need to explore lens possibilities. So let's take a look at some of the considerations with both the medium format and the DSLRs. The most common feature we look for as food photographers is the ability to get in tight. Using macro lenses makes this possible, getting in as tight as 4 to 6 inches. This ability, along with shooting at a wide or open aperture, helps create a look and style for our food photography. So here's an example of the macro in tight, and you can see with this image of the ice cream that I'm in probably 3 inches away from the subject. So it fills the frame, I'm shooting wide open, and have shallow depth of field. On the opposite end of the macro lens is the telephoto lens. It allows us to shoot from a distance but still fill the frame with the intended subject. While not used as often as the macro for food photography, the telephoto can get us in tight to the food without being on top of the subject like the macro. This might be helpful when we are shooting a person taking a bite of food or shooting a pour that might splash on the lens. When shooting with the telephoto, we usually do not have to worry about the aperture so much because of the nature of the telephoto. It's already giving us that shallow depth of field. So here's an example of the telephoto in use. So you can see as I'm filling the frame with the telephoto, my subject's about to bite down on this ice cream, and I'm at a safe distance away using the telephoto lens. Now from the financial side, a zoom lens that also has a macro feature could be an alternative to buying several different types of lenses. And here's an example of a zoom lens that gets me in tight and still gives me that shallow depth of field look. This is just a quick look at lenses. For a much more in-depth look at lenses, check out Foundations of Photography Lenses. With lenses, it's all about the quality of the glass. So remember, you get what you pay for.